Have you been in surgery and something went wrong? Everything's set up, you come in and they say, "Doctor, the machine's not working properly." Wouldn't it be nice to know how to solve that problem without having to get on the phone and call someone? Hi, my name is John Weymouth and I'm the president of MEDiSURG. And I have developed a course called Phaco Physics and Fluiditics, and it's designed to answer all your questions, how these machines work, how you can get the most out of them, how you can test them to make sure they're doing what they should be doing. And really importantly, you can tell whether or not the system is designed to work the way you want it to, because I give you ability to do some tests. You set up your own settings, so you don't really need the representative to come in and show you how to set up the machine. You could do it all yourself. So if you're interested, don't hesitate to subscribe below, give me a call, and I'll be happy to take you on a journey that will change your life when it comes to Phaco and Fluiditics. Thank you.